What you have here is a beautiful ranch home at the end of a cul-de-sac, very private, and this is your front entrance. Huge closets here in the primary. You've got your dining room here. Third bedroom on the main floor. And then you have the second bathroom up here. Full bath, that's a shower. Over here to the living room, got a fireplace there. Humongous wall of windows. I love this huge covered deck. They keep electronics out here, which makes me feel comfortable to know that there's not a whole lot of water coming here. But check out the views. And this is in the middle of the winter when there's no leaves, but you still have privacy. This deck extends on beyond the back of the house there. There's a staircase here, but it overlooks the pool. Not sure the condition of the pool. They haven't opened it in a few years. Thinking it might need some work. Now we come down to this basement. Immediately to my left is another 2 bedrooms. Guitar studio, it looks like. So it pretty much mirrors upstairs. You got another bedroom here. I say it mirrors upstairs because you got those 2 bedrooms there, and then you have another full bathroom here. Back in the basement here, we've got another nice TV area, another fireplace down here. So you got your seating area. They've got a pool table there. This window or this side of the wall here that's covered in boxes. From here all the way down to the end where all these are is actually windows. So this could be really nice and bright down here. Kind of a poker area, and then they've got a bar set up. So this is under that big deck up there. Back behind the deck here, we've got a backyard. You can see the retaining wall that I mentioned earlier, and the yard kind of goes down into goalie here. Backyard looks like we need some leaf removal, but look at this big wall of windows, which are awesome. And then this is all fenced in. It needs fence repair, but it could be nice for the dog. Lastly, this finished area back here. Zoned HVAC. You see one here, Goodman. You got another one here, another Goodman. And then a newer looking water heater. You do have some old Federal Pacific electric panels. That concludes our tour. Thank you.